From Actionable Ops, here's how to put Hermes on Matrix, the open, federated, end-to-end encrypted chat network. Matrix is an open protocol. You can run your own home server or just use a public one like mautrix.org, and either way, you own your conversations. Hermes connects as a normal Matrix user. In DMs, it answers everything. In rooms, it waits for an @mention, and it auto-joins any room you invite it to. In shared rooms, each person gets their own session. It also auto-threads each reply, posts processing reactions, and accepts slash and bang commands. Step 1. Give the bot an account. 3 ways. Register a user on your own home server, like at Hermes your server. Make a fresh account on Element at mautrix.org, or run Hermes as your own user so it posts as you. Step 2. Get an access token. Log into Element as the bot, open Settings, Help and About, expand Advanced, and copy the token shown there. That token is full access to the account, so treat it like a password. If you'd rather, hand Hermes the user ID and password instead and let it log in. Step 3. Configure and start. Run Hermes Gateway Setup, pick Matrix, and give it the home server URL, the token, and the user IDs you allow. Set Matrix allowed users, or the gateway denies everyone by default. For shared or private deployments, also set Matrix allowed rooms so only your rooms can trigger the bot. Then Hermes Gateway, and it syncs in a few seconds. Now just invite it. Add the bot's Matrix user to any room, and it accepts and starts responding right away. User IDs look like at name:server, and if you need a room's ID for the allow list, find the internal room ID in Element under Room Settings Advanced. Once it's in, Hermes gets Matrix-specific tools: send reactions, redact, create rooms, invite, fetch history. Admin tools are off by default. Media over 100 meg is rejected, and inbound media must use Matrix mxc://URIs. Want encryption? Hermes speaks Matrix end-to-end encryption. Install the Matrix Extra and the libolm library, then pick a mode with Matrix EEE mode: off, optional, or required. Optional falls back to plain if crypto can't start. Required fails closed. It handles keys on its own. One catch: libolm doesn't build on Apple Silicon, so on a Mac you run the encrypted part in a small Linux container in proxy mode. Last tip: set a homeroom with sethome or Matrix homeroom, and the bot sends cron jobs and reminders there. That's Hermes on Matrix, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.